Hello, friends. How are you all? I think you all are fine by the grace of God. Today I will discuss about very common topics fever because now the weather is changing cold to hot. In this time fever case you will get my junior colleagues, junior brothers and sisters, all you have to careful about fever because in this time you will get more and more fever cases in your chamber. In this time you have to remember about dalkamra. Dalkamra is very good remedy for changeable weather condition. Few symptoms for fevers caused by rheumatic exposure: living in damp rooms, sleeping in a damp bed during cold and during rainy season. This medicine is very much useful. Next, you have to remember about Eupatorium perfoliatum. This is also a very good medicine for fever, any type of fever: dengue, influenza, bilious fever, catarrhal fever, remittent fever, hectic fever from suppressed quotidian, tertian, or quartan. The paroxysm being characterized by violent bone pains, great pain, and soreness in the muscles. This is the most prominent symptoms, very important symptoms for eupatorium: great pain and soreness in the muscles and violent pain in bones. So if you get this type of patient, you may prescribe eupatorium. Next, ferramate. Ferramate is also a very good medicine for intermittent fever, prostration, and profuse calming. Debilitating sweats is the prominent feature of this medicine. After abuse of quinine with enlarged spleen, in this condition may be anemia and dropsy also present in this patient. Next, we have to remember about medicine Bacteria. Bacteria is also a very good medicine for typhoid fever, especially in the early stage with the peculiar nervous symptoms, great prostrations with disposition to decompositions of fluids. All discharges are fetid. This is the most important feature for Bacteria. Excellent, it is also used in excellent in phthisis. In this patient, Bacteria patient, one prominent symptoms, very important symptoms, is chills at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Fever originating from confinement on shipboard without good care or food. Next, you have to remember Gelsemium, Hippersulf, Ignacia, Ipecac. You have to go all through the medicine. I am only discussing about very important medicine which is very much useful in the fever. Next important medicine, I think Pyrogenium is very important medicine for fever. Pyrogenium. In fevers due to intestinal sepsis from eating ice cream, canned meat, putrid substances, septic fever following by abortion, it is also very much useful. That means when you will get a history of septicemia and fever comes from the septicemia, due to septicemia, then you have to remember about pyrogen, puerperal fever, surgical fever with rapid tendency to sepsis, and typhoid fever. These all conditions are covered by the pyrogen. Then most common medicine is Rastox. Rastox also very good remedy for fever. Then if you get very good case history and that's follow with the sulfur, you may prescribe the sulfur also. You may prescribe Thuja tuberculinum, because we homeopathic doctors are treating the patients, not the disease. So we have no need to think about what is the name of the disease. We have to take very good case record from the patient. Then only we can prescribe a good medicine and perfect medicine. But you have to gather about few medicines knowledge, because whenever a patient comes to you, then you have to remember all this medicine and which is more effective for the particular patient. You have to collect from your memory. That's why you have to study all types of medicine, and most important medicine must you have to remember. In this list you should have to enlisted the Veratrum album. Veratrum album is also a very good remedy for fever, typhoid type of fever. When the vital force suddenly sink, rheumatic fever with profuse sweat, great weakness, and diarrhea also may present in the patient, intermittent fever after abuse of quinine, coldness and collapse predominant symptoms in this medicine. Veratrum album also very good remedy for fever. So friends, today is this much. If you benefited by this video, then please like the video, give one like, and share with your friends and family members. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel, because I will give new type of educational video about homeopathic educational video afterwards, and hit the